Alright, y'all, we went to Consignment on Park to see what they have in here. The little Easter mats out. Let's see. Store hours right there. They're closed on Sunday, but they're open. They're closed on Monday too. 10 to 6. Really nice. Hi. Okay, thank you. Dessert plate. China, England. Oh, China, England. I think that's supposed to be what is this? Made in the USA, Sunnyvale. But China, England, I think that's supposed to be really good stuff. So if you're ever at the consignment shop at the Goodwill and you see some China, England, get it. Because you see this plate is what was for a set. It's for a set. Looks like there's 5 in there. good. How about yourself?
Good.
That's good.
I'm Susan. If I can answer any questions for you, okay?
Okay, thank you so
Been to our
much.
store before?
I haven't. This is my first time.
Well, welcome.
Thank
Please
you.
enjoy looking around.
Thank you so much.
We get new pieces in. Sometimes once a day, twice a day.
Uh-huh.
It's got how more comes in, so please keep checking with us.
Made with love means one lick the spoon and keep using it. It's the size of a Volkswagen bottom too. The back of a Beetle. That's the real size too. Right here. Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're so very welcome. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you also. Not today. babies up there. She's probably waiting for us to leave. Like, why don't y'all leave?
Look the same.
That's how they look as babies. So this is a baby. But that right there, that's a female cardinal up there.
Yeah, but that's not the. Doesn't look the same type of bird, right?
Oh, just no, not to me, but I'm not a.
They don't look the same, but like as they get older, they'll start to change. But even though that bird may not be the same, the mother, it'll still take care of
Still
it.
take care of it.
Yeah, because that's what happens. Birds will take care of other birds.
Wow, jeez.